Hi, good morning. Welcome to Genius channel. Today is 16th March 2021. We'll see what to read in today's newspaper. The newspaper I'm taking is the Hindu newspaper. Okay, as usual, many of you know that we need not read politics. Okay, we need not read local news. So in the first page, that is front page, over 60% OBC SC post vacant in IIM. Okay, this is very important news because now the Supreme Court is considering whether they can change the 50% cap which they have levied on Indra Sani's case. Okay, that they want to change, or they're looking into relooking it. So this can be a very important topic. So read this in the front page. Okay, I'm taking Chennai edition, so it will be mostly same in every other editions as well. Okay, otherwise just note down the topic. You can find it anywhere. Okay, then comes accused death gets death for killing inspector in Batla house. That is also important because the rarest of rare cases. Normally we don't give death sentences. So two things you have to read in the first page itself. Okay. Now let us go to the second page. As usual, second page is local news. I'm leaving it. Okay, I'm be going directly to the editorial. Okay, so editorial we have a editorial open. Yeah, this is editorial. Today's editorial, page number 6. Okay, Kerala Triangle. Okay, that is a political news. You can completely avoid. No need to read. Okay. Then comes reinventing radical politics by looking left. This is also political. You can leave it. Okay. Then comes an odd political hybridation with historical president. That is also you can leave. Poll. Position Supreme Court has boosted independence of State Election Commission in holding. So this is very important. Supreme Court involves again. So poll position. Okay, this you read. So only one editorial in the left side today. Yesterday I told you to read three editorials. Today it is only one editorial is there. Okay, so it is easy. Okay. Then we go to the next page. Next page we have a giant leap forward for the quad. Quad is going to become very, very important. So all the news on quad you have to read. So there's a virtual meeting happened between the quad leaders. So read that. This is written by Rajiv Bhatia. Okay. Then comes POSCO. That also you read it. Okay. So you'll be reading two from the right hand side editorial. Clear, guys? Okay. Now let us go to the next page. NA raids 60% OBC. That I read it. Okay. All political news. Okay. This you write down. Okay. This is very important. Okay. Kathakali Master Kuniraman Nair no more. Okay. Maybe an important question. Please read that as well. Okay. Okay. Now transgender can enroll in NCC. Okay, that also an option. Please read this topic. Okay, so this we know. Actually, in the first itself, we know that this lady is lying because she wanted a free food. Okay, so she's being arrested. So just for your time pass, you can read this also. Okay, okay, great. Okay, Jagannatha Temple launches this one. Tusker found dead. Okay, let's see how does this show in Karnataka. Yeah, this can be a question actually. Man-animal conflict. Okay. Pilot project launched in Kodagu and South Karnataka to mitigate the human-elephant conflict. So read this also. It can be a solution. They are creating a bee fence. That means in case of any this comes, the bees will attack the elephant. It's a very good idea because we have seen a lot of elephant being killed. Okay, so this is one good idea. Please do that as well. Okay, next we go to government opposes inclusion of judges live. So vaccine for judges not required now. Haryana 2000 notes printed. Okay. 2000 notes not printed 10 sources. Yeah, this is very important. It's a quality. Okay. Like lieutenant governor's power. Okay. In Delhi, they're going to bring an amendment in the constitution. Okay. Not a, yeah, it should be an amendment in the constitution. Okay. That you can bring. Okay, all these are political news. Okay, this you can read. India's arms import down by 33%. That is because of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. This is a very important topic. Please read this as well. Okay, you can quote it somewhere else. Okay. Then there's an environmental ecology news. Great Indian Bustard. Please read. See, whatever I'm asking you to read, and you take the notes also. Okay. Then I will come with the questions. For example, yesterday's topics have got a question. So at the end of this, I'll give you the questions for that. You can solve. You can try it. Okay. Then goes. Yeah, this is actually criticism by China on Quad. Okay, so read this also. Okay. Read this also. Page number 11. Okay, page number. So even if I'm not saying page number, it is mentioned there. You can see the page. Okay. Try to get a e-paper. If not e-paper, you can get a physical paper. Okay. E-paper is actually cheaper. Okay. So that you can. So then this also Adani Ports confirms Colombo Terminal Port project. That is a Indo-Sri Lanka relationship. That also you can read. Okay. Yeah, I think that's there in today's newspaper. Then you got some kind of business news. Yeah, trade deficit widens. Okay, trade deficit. The trade deficit means our export minus import. You know that our imports are more than our exports, so that is why we're getting trade deficit. So that is increasing. That means our imports are increasing or our exports are decreasing. So WPI, okay, wholesale price index is also high. Okay, so that also you can check this. Okay, so two important news. Tomorrow we'll get an editorial on this or this. Okay, so that we'll read in detail. But today you read this. Okay. Yeah, so that's it for the today's news. As said, there is no need for sports news. Okay, unless until you have on time pass, you can completely ignore, guys. Okay. So as I promised, I'll show you yesterday's question which I made for you guys. Okay, yesterday's question. Yeah, so two questions are there from yesterday's newspaper. There is 15th March newspaper. Consider the following. Is it? Let me see. Okay, now this is. Okay. Consider the following with respect to ShadowPad. Okay. So I have given two statements. ShadowPad is a network intrusion malware. ShadowPad is depicted as a backdoor Trojan malware. Okay, which of the above statement is not correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one and three, one or three. So read the question. Try to answer in the comment section. You can put your answer in the comment section. Then comes consider the following statement with respect to Dustlick. Both have been taken from yesterday's newspaper, 15th March newspaper. Okay, so it is an India-Kazakh joint army exercise. In this joint exercise, SIG, okay, 716 assault rifles, okay, were taught to foreign troops. The joint exercise is a counter operation held in the MOU. Okay, so you have to find out the statement in this. So which of the amount statement is not correct? One and two only, two only, two and three only, one, two, three. Okay, so try to find out the answer for the second question. Okay, if you want the answer for this, I'll give the answers in tomorrow's session. Okay, thank you guys. All the best.